How to fix gdi32.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, in the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters category. This will show the installed display devices. Right-click on your display adapter, example NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. If that didn't work, it is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of gdi32.dll missing or not found error in Windows. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure if that didn't work. If that didn't work, System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.